If you want to lose weight, you may have heard about the benefits of medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, oil. MCTs are a type of fat quickly absorbed and converted into ketones by the body. This makes MCT oil a great addition to a low-carb or ketogenic diet, as it can help your body stay in a state of ketosis and burn fat for energy. One of the key benefits of MCT oil is that it can be a good energy source for the brain. The brain typically relies on glucose for energy, but when glucose levels are low, ketones can step in and provide the brain with the energy it needs. This is why people on a low-carb or ketogenic diet often report improved mental clarity and focus. So, how can you use MCT oil for weight loss? One effective option is to use MCT oil to supplement your low-carb or ketogenic diet. You can use it as a cooking oil or add it to your coffee or smoothies. Just be sure to start with a small amount and gradually increase the dose to avoid digestive issues. Many MCT oil supplements come in a convenient liquid or capsule form that can be added to drinks or meals. It is worth noting that while MCT oil can be a helpful tool for weight loss, it's not a magic bullet. Following a balanced, nutritious diet and engaging in regular physical activity is still important to see long-term weight loss results.